Today, we will understand a very interesting part of English language study called the word register. What is a word register? It is a group of words related to a particular thing, a particular person, or an event. It is a list of words that are similar to any given word. For example, school. We have similar words to school which relate to school, that is teacher, blackboard, classroom, students, and so many more related words. Let us see, or let us make a word register for the word nature. Nature will be incomplete without trees. A beautiful rainbow, different types of animals, mountains, flowers, again beauty, sunshine, lakes, snow, butterflies, and so many other things or words we can use for nature. Now, whenever we make words, which come under a single topic like nature, one word topic, that is called a word register. Word register for the word classroom. If you look at this picture, you can pick out first and foremost the teacher, a whiteboard, not blackboard, a chart, desks, chairs, clock, window, books, table, and I am sure you will be able to find out many more words for this classroom. Pick out the words from the given picture and make a word register for COVID-19. If you look at the picture in itself is a word register. But I have written down my words from this and made my own word register using words like pandemic, disease, virus, outbreak. And I'm sure that you can find out 6 more of these words. Words in ascending or descending order. You have been learning in your earlier classes the ascending and descending order with regards to numbers. And an ascending order means going from smaller to bigger. Descending means going from bigger to smaller. Now study these sets of words: pleased, happy, joyful, ecstatic. Now these words, letter, word, sentence, paragraph, are sets arranged in ascending order, each word showing a higher degree than the previous one. Okay, so look at this one. Letter, one word, then becomes a sentence, and sentence becomes a paragraph. In the same way, I'm a little pleased, then I become happy, then I become more happy, which is joyful, and then very happy, which is ecstatic. Okay, now these words are given to you. We have to arrange in ascending order: adult, aged, infant, and youth. Now you know the smallest one is an infant. Then we come to youth, that is all of you, and adult and aged. Okay, so we arrange now in ascending order. Similarly, we arrange these words: cool, cold, chill, and finally freezing, in ascending order. Similarly, bright, intelligent, brilliant, and a genius. And the last one, a mound, which is just a pile of stones or of sand. Then a little higher one, which is called a hill, and the mountain, and then the topmost part of the mountain, which is a peak or a summit. So these are words in ascending order. Some more examples of words in ascending order. Now we use the words rain, starting with a drizzle. A drizzle is a small little, few drops, then shower, torrent, and a deluge, which is extremely heavy rain. And a wind, which is a breeze, then a very strong breeze, which is called a gale. a typhoon, a stronger, much stronger one, and finally the big one, which is the cyclone. Sunshine, it is pleasant, then a little bright, and then it becomes hot. Similarly, a pool, ascending order to that is a lake, a river, a sea. You can write ocean, you can write your own words. I'm just giving you an idea of how you use words in an ascending order. Now, size, they have given you big, then large, huge, and gigantic, humongous, mammoth. There are many words that you can use. Okay, size, small, after small comes tiny, then minute, and something you can't see, that is microscopic. Words arranged in descending order. The descending order of words means the order beginning with the biggest, most important, highest degree, and slowly continuing in decreasing order or lessening order to end with the smallest or least important. Some of the examples are massive, large, and big. So massive is the biggest, then we have large, and then we have the smallest one, which is big. Brilliant, intelligent, clever. Gorgeous, beautiful, attractive. Harsh, severe, stern. Stern meaning strict, most strict, and harsh means very, very strict. And then we have the pandemic of today, a worldwide disease, epidemic, and a widespread, which is only in the locality itself. So in descending order, we have these words. Arrange the following words in ascending and descending order. For example, love, like, adore, and worship. These are just put in any order. And your ascending order would be like, love, adore, and worship. And obviously, the opposite of ascending order will be descending order. Like we have fight, action, warfare, and then a battle. Well-to-do, wealthy, comfortable, moneyed. Okay, so you have to now put these words in ascending and descending order. For example, well-to-do, wealthy, comfortable, and moneyed. So we have comfortable first, then well-to-do, this is the ascending order, then we'll have moneyed and wealthy. And the opposite one will be wealthy, moneyed, well-to-do, and comfortable. So you have to understand now by doing this whether you can do an ascending and descending order. Next one, ravenous, hungry, malnourished, and starving. Hungry, okay, ravenous means extremely hungry. Malnourished is the condition you become in when you are starving for quite some time. And then we have the word starving. Okay, so higher order to lower order. Higher order, going to higher order is ascending, and coming from higher to lower order, descending order.